Hey guys, in this video we're talking about how to transfer money from Bank of America to Cash App. So if you are trying to move money from your Bank of America account, opening the Bank of America mobile app won't actually help you. The secret is that you have to pull the money into Cash App instead of pushing it out from the bank. Today I'll show you exactly how. Right guys, so to start you need to just open up your Cash App on your phone or Android device. Look down at the bottom left corner of your screen and tap on the Banking tab. It looks like a small house icon or displays your current cash balance as well. So scroll down the banking menu list slightly and tap the linked banks. Next, tap link debit card. Grab your physical Bank of America Visa debit card and type in the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV security code into the secure fields. Using your debit card is highly recommended here because it locks in completely instant transfers, whereas linking via your standard bank routing number can delay your funds for several days. Then once your Bank of America card is attached to your profile, you can tap the back arrow to return to the main banking dashboard workspace. Look right underneath your main balance number and tap on the blue button labeled Add Cash. The quick menu pane will slide up, showing you the preset dollar amounts. You can also choose Other and tap the three dots to type in a custom transfer value. Input that amount to pull from your checking accounts and hit the Add button at the bottom of the canvas. Complete your phone's Face ID, fingerprint, or cash pin, and money will instantly clear out of your bank account and show up in your Cash App. That is it. Enjoy and see you soon, guys.